Today, we are going to talk about one of the most inevitable material in our aquascaping. It's called hardscapes.
Tastes like sugar, so sweet. Oh, baby girl, when can we meet? 'Cause I thought I had lost it all and never tried.
Welcome to the beautiful world of nature and its balance.
Give me just a sign, yeah. Give me a
Today, we are at the Nature Aquarium Gallery of Tirth Aquatics, our Nature Aquarium collaboration partner. Right now, I am standing at their racking space where they display all the available products and the magic items that they use to create those amazing nature aquarium. And to take us through the hardscape materials, today we have Mr. Samrat Banerjee from Kolkata. Samratji, can I have you? Yeah. So, Mr. Banerjee, we have a lot of viewers who are newbies in the system, who knows little bit about the nature aquarium, and of course, we do have many experienced aquascapers and nature aquarium keepers out here. I hope that you will be giving some useful tips and information about the various hardscapes available, isn't it? I bet on you.
So in this hobby, the hardscapes are the backbone of the tank. So today I will show you some of the hardscapes we have here in our gallery. I will start with the lava stone. We generally got two types of lava stone. One is black, one is red. They are both the same. It does not affect any water chemistry. So basically they are lightweight. So with the help of this rock, you can make huge structures with lots of crevices, lots of cracks, and this stone has unique feature that it's very porous, so it's good for attaching ferns, moss or anubias type of plants. And these stones are very good in biological filtration also. It can hold many bacteria in it. So and very good for shrimp tanks. Shrimp will love gazing on it. And the next one I am going to show, that is dragon stone. As the name suggests, the color and the texture of this stone is much like a dragon scale. It is generally used for making iwagumi or high texture tanks. It does not alter any water chemistry. It's safe for all type of planted tanks, and beginners can also start with this stone. This stone is almost found everywhere in India near the river. And they are also neutral in pH. They does not affect on water parameters, so it's safe for the planted tanks. Now this stone we call it Serpentica rock. This is found in India. This is a cool. This rock has cool texture on it, and we also use this stone in our tanks. And it may slightly increase some GH in your water, but does not affect the KH or pH that much. So it's generally safe. You can make cool textures hardscape with this, and most of the people will love this stone because it had that much color in it. So very good stone. This is Serio stone. You may have seen it in Iwagumi type of tanks where we used to create a mountain scapes. So we use that, but this stone had a problem. It can affect on your water parameters. It can slightly raise your KH, and we don't recommend this stone for the very beginners. If you are into this hobby for some times, then it's safe for you to use. This is elephant skin stone. We do not recommend it for a planted tank. It may cause problem on your planted tanks, and it can destroy all your plants and the living creature in it. This type of rock we recommend for cichlid tanks cause it has lots of lime in it, and it may raise your pH in your water, which is not recommended for a planted tank. This is cloudy stone. this also had the same character as Seriu stone, but it is more grayish in color, and you can see the marbling here more prominently. We do not recommend it for a beginner hobbyist. These stones are for experienced hobbyist. You had to do more maintenance with this stone in your tank. This is Indian sandstone. This is generally found in Rajasthan. You may seen it, and it has some cool texture in it, and it is almost neutral but can slightly increase the GH of your water. So this rock is safe for beginner's hobby. We have woods here, mostly Malaysian driftwood, Mopani driftwood, spider woods, and other common driftwoods we had in stock.
When we recover, will we remember each other? When we get out of this, I want to hold you closer.